Hello everyone, it's time for another unboxing. Before we get to that, let's do the wrist check I always forget to do. Today's watch is the Victorinox that I got in the last unboxing video. I really like that Victorinox, the hexagonal side face. The face is round, but hexagonal. I guess I'd say bezel, but it's a non-moving bezel. Just a very cool watch. And now it's time to get to this new box. It's another Black Friday purchase. This will probably be loaded up second week of January, I think. Maybe late first week. I can't remember. So let's get to it. As you can tell, the alcohol did its work on the label. Well, that's just stuck there really well. Okay, this is from Homa Shop. And it's going to be one of the most colorful watches in my collection. Cardboard. All right. Again, the obligatory never pay retail. Is this a sticker or whatever? I have another one from my past Homa Shop purchase, and their certificate of authenticity, which, okay, mainly is because Homa Shop gets low deals by purchasing in bulk from authorized dealers, or how does they put it? Homa Shop affirms that the product was sourced directly via authorized dealers or respected industry wholesalers. Yeah. Today's watch, a Seiko. Yeah, I'm slowly kind of becoming a Seiko collector, I think. I don't know. Or having a fair amount of Seiko watches, I'll say. I like them a lot. They're awesome automatics, and they're not too pricey. I mean, don't get me wrong, they're not cheap. They're not cheap. I mean, spending over $100 for a watch is not something you'd say is cheap. But for watches, it's not pricey. I gotta say, it's not. This is the colorful watch I was talking about. Ooh, orange. And it's an automatic. Seiko 5. Let's shake it around a little bit. Shake it around that way. You see the second hand moving. There you go. Alright, so you can tell it's brand new with tags. Let's take off these plastics. Face doesn't have plastic on it. Seems like it doesn't have. So face doesn't have plastic on it. That's new. Okay. Probably a display watch or something. But yeah, this. Okay. Let's take off this tag. Alright, tags off. Alright. That's off. There's paper in here. Strange. This has plastic down here. Oh, this paper and plastic all over the place. Alright, that paper's gone. This plastic's gone. Alright, time to go on wrist. Let's see what it looks like on wrist. Now, it's a little big, but that's fine. That's fine with me. here we are. This is the look of it on wrist. That's a nice looking watch, I gotta say. Yeah, I know this is the offhand, I know, but wrists are usually the same size, aren't they? You can measure both wrists that way. Alright, Seiko 5 Sports. That's an awesome watch. That's an awesome watch. Let's see how the lume is on this watch. Alright, see if it's visibly... Oh yeah, that's impressive lume right there. Yeah, that's pretty good. Alright, so, and the bezel, does it move? It's, wow, it's smooth. Incredibly smooth. Wow. That's very smooth. So yeah, I'm liking this watch. So yeah. Tell me what you think. I kind of like the... Looks like stainless steel is very reflective. Especially on the bezel right here. So yeah, tell me what you think. And if you have any questions... Oh, forgot the obligatory back shot of the automatic mechanism right there. You can see the weight of the automatic. It's moving. You see the spring there, and springing into action, keeping time. Wow, it's a really cool watch, I gotta say. Really cool watch. Well, a few people that know me will be kind of confused as to why I chose the orange color. I'll give that update later. But it's a really cool watch. Alright. Well, I hope you all have a great day, and hope you all enjoying your watches. Take care, everyone. Alright. Bye.